Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Don. Recently, a designer friend told me that he found two scanners that launched on Kickstarter, the Revopoint POP 2 and the Creality Lizard 3D scanner with the same promotional features. He was very interested in knowing the differences between the two products and which one is better. So I researched the various informations online, including videos and the reviews of many users and comments from both companies. I was really intrigued to make a comparison video, and I think it could probably be a very popular topic in the 3D scanning industry and community. As I mentioned earlier, both products look very similar in the 3D consumer scanning market. But is it true? Let's dive deeper and have a look. I've scanned some objects using both scanners for your reference, including an Aggro, my own head, a colorful cup, a car door. Let's compare the accuracy first. The accuracy of the POP 2 and Lizard are 0.5 millimeters according to their advertisements. I've seen that both scanners have tested an Aggro model, so let's try that first. I'm going to scan it on the turntable and check the results. Then we can try and put the models on the turntables in different poses, on horizontal and vertical, and try to scan it that way as well. As you can see, the model scanned by the Revopoint POP 2 scanner has an algorithm that automatically removes the turntable from the scan data. Now let's look at the details by checking the nose and chin parts on the Aggro model. The POP 2 has noticeable results, while the Lizard model scanner has a lot of noise. There are also obvious scanning errors in these boundaries from the Lizard scanner, and I don't really know what happened here. One important thing you probably have noticed is that it can be challenging for 3D scanners to scan black colored objects. So let's test how these two scanners work with black objects. Let's start with a black coffee cup first. We found that both scanners could scan the object very clearly. Now let's try to scan a human head with black hair. I used the head scan mode of the Revopoint POP 2. After multiple scan tests, I have found that both scanners can scan a human head. But when it comes to black hair, the Revopoint POP 2 scanner has no problems, while the Lizard can't scan it successfully. Though lighter haired colors could work. To have a clearer view of texture capabilities, let's scan a colored cup and compare the 3D models. The model scanned by the POP 2 has a clear and vivid texture. The colors on the bottle are right on the mark. Whereas on the scan by the Lizard, the color sensitivity is a lot more apparent compared to the POP 2, causing the point cloud to bulge in some areas that have color differences. Which might affect scans that contain multiple colors or complex shapes. From what I see on the Lizard's Kickstarter page, they advertised a no marker scanning, which is quite interesting and impressive. So I wanted to test it out on a car door, using both the scanners to see the differences. Let's first use the geometric feature on the POP 2 and Lizard to test it out. As you can see, the result is that both cannot scan and piece it together properly, which is expected when scanning a large object in this mode. Next, let's test the texture mode on the Lizard as well as the marker scanning mode on the Revopoint POP 2 to see the differences when using the correct mode for scanning large objects. As you can see, when we need to scan large objects, the better option is to choose a system with a proper marker mode, which produces a clear and more precise scan. Another point was when we were scanning the car, we had to find a power outlet for the Lizard, while the POP 2 can directly connect to our computer so that it was just, easier to use. In conclusion, both products have very similar premium packages, and both products support fast scanning and modeling of even black colored models. However, POP 2 has a better result when coming to scanning black human hair. When scanning a colorful model by the Lizard, the point cloud will bulge, causing some errors. The Revopoint has an essential marker mode, while the Lizard scanner doesn't have one. Okay, well that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope this will help you on deciding which one to get. If you liked my videos, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.